Welcome back to Ride Geek, your go-to channel for the best vehicle reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 LiveWire One, Harley-Davidson's cutting-edge electric motorcycle that promises an exhilarating ride with zero emissions. If you're considering making the switch to electric or just love high-performance bikes, stick around because this review covers everything you need to know. Let's start with the design. The 2025 LiveWire One retains its sleek and aggressive styling, blending modern minimalism with classic Harley-Davidson DNA. It features a bold, muscular stance with a streamlined body that screams performance. The exposed frame and battery casing give it an industrial look, while the sculpted fuel tank, now housing electronics, adds to its visual appeal. LED lighting all around ensures visibility and enhances the bike's futuristic aesthetic. The ergonomics are designed for a comfortable yet sporty ride, with slightly forward-set footpegs and a well-cushioned seat that makes long rides enjoyable. Now, let's talk performance. The LiveWire One is powered by the Revolution electric motor, which delivers an impressive 100 horsepower and 84 pound-feet of torque. Unlike gas-powered bikes, this electric beast provides instant torque, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. With a top speed of around 110 miles per hour, it's no slouch when it comes to performance. The single-speed transmission means no shifting, just twist the throttle and go. Power delivery is incredibly smooth, making it perfect for both city commutes and spirited highway runs. One of the biggest concerns with electric motorcycles is range, and Harley has made improvements here. The 2025 LiveWire One offers an estimated 146 miles of city range on a full charge, with around 95 miles on mixed highway and city use. Charging is convenient with DC fast charging, allowing the battery to go from 0 to 80% in just 40 minutes and a full charge in about 1 hour. If you're using a standard level 1 charger at home, expect a full charge overnight. In terms of technology, the 2025 model is packed with advanced features. A 6-inch color TFT touchscreen display serves as the control center, offering Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and real-time ride statistics. Riders can switch between multiple ride modes, sport, road, rain, and custom, to adjust power output and traction control. The LiveWire app lets you monitor battery status, track charging locations, and even get security alerts if someone tampers with your bike. Safety is also a priority on the LiveWire One. The bike comes equipped with a cornering-enhanced ABS system, traction control, and a drag-torque slip control system, ensuring maximum stability in all conditions. The regenerative braking system not only improves efficiency but also provides additional stopping power. With these safety features, riders can confidently take on both urban streets and winding roads. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 LiveWire One comes in at around $22,799, positioning it as a premium electric motorcycle. While this may seem high, the cost is justified by its cutting-edge technology, high performance, and the savings on fuel and maintenance over time. Plus, with federal and state incentives for electric vehicles, you could save even more on your purchase. So, is the 2025 LiveWire One worth it? If you're looking for an electrifying ride that combines instant power, modern design, and smart technology, this bike is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for riders who want an eco-friendly alternative without compromising performance. While the price is on the premium side, the long-term benefits and exhilarating ride experience make it a worthy investment. That wraps up our review of the 2025 LiveWire One. What do you think of Harley's electric powerhouse? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching Ride Geek. See you on the next ride.